make sentences using these verbs, as you already know, you have to make sentences in present simple tense only. So for present simple tense, you know the structure is a subject plus first form of verb followed by object, right? So it is the structure of a positive sentence of a present simple tense. So if you want to make positive sentences of present simple tense, you can make this way. You have to put a subject before first form of the verb, which will be followed by an object, right? So what are the verbs that you are required to add in the sentences? These are the verbs that you are required to add in the sentences, right? So use these verbs and make a few positive sentences. How you are going to make the positive sentences? Likewise, carry any of the word. I am choosing this word argue. If you are choosing this word argue, how would you make a sentence? You may make a sentence likewise. You may say he argue. So should I say argues along with he, or he argues? If you take the subject third person singular personal pronoun or singular noun, you are required to put SRES along with the verb. So here the verb will be changed to argue, will be changed to argues. So he argues, you may say that he argues with his parents. It means he frequently engage in talks with his parents. माने ही पंहिंजे पेरेंट्स सां छा थो करे, बहस थो करे. तो तव्हांखे छा करिणो हो, सिर्फ वर्ब पुट करिणो हो. तव्हां हिकिड़ो वर्ब हितां खां पिक कयो, कहिड़ो आर्ग्यू, पोइ हुनखे हिन स्ट्रक्चर में पुट कयो. हुनखां पोइ तव्हां हुन ते सेंटेंसिस कीअं ठाहींदो, है ना, सेंस लॻायो, सोचियो. If the word is argue, बहस करण, then what could be the subject or what could be the object? Firstly, think about a subject. You may put subject like he, she, it, I, we, you, singular noun or plural noun. First decide which subject you are intending to put here in this positive sentence, and when you choose a subject finally, then think about as you have already a verb in the list, then think about the object. What would be the object here? If not the object, then what would be the complement or any additional thing here, right? So here if you have choose the verb, choose the subject he, and pick the verb argue, then after he argues, you can put anything that reflects the idea in the correct way. Which is the idea? If he argues, argues, then he should argue with someone. केर माण्हू बहस करे तो कंहिं सां बहस कंदो न, है ना. पोइ तव्हां हिते सभई ॼणा जेको न पंहिंजे हिसाब सां केर हिते लॻाए ॾियो न, हिज पेरेंट्स, हिज फ्रेंड्स, एल्डर ब्रदर, कुछ में ईअं लॻाए छॾियो. तो चवण जो मतिलबु ईअं ई तव्हांखे वर्ब जेको सो पिक करिणो आहे, पोइ सब्जेक्ट ऐं ऑब्जेक्ट सां गॾु सब्जेक्ट तव्हांखे को बि चूज़ करिणो आहे, ही शी इट मां, सिंगुलर ने या प्लूरल नाउन मां. पोइ तव्हां ॾिसो न हुन खां गॾु सही सेंस में कहिड़ो जेको सो ऑब्जेक्ट बीहे थो. पोइ जेको ऑब्जेक्ट तव्हांखे सही लॻे त इन सां गॾु मूंखे फलां ऑब्जेक्ट ॾियणु खपे, त तव्हां उहो ॾेई सघो था. ईअं तव्हां खोड़ सारा जेको सो सेंटेंसिस ठाही वेंदा. ही 12 वर्बनि तव्हां 12 सेंटेंसिस ठाही वेंदा. अच्छा, तव्हां जेको सो सिर्फ़ु लाज़मी न त तव्हां positive ही sentences ठाहियो. You can make negative sentences, you can make interrogative sentences. Interrogative and negative sentences are emphatic sentences as well, and you already know the structures of all the other sentences as well, not only the positive sentences, but you also know the structure of negative sentences, interrogative, negative, and emphatic, right? So what is the structure formula of negative sentences in present simple tense? It is subject, then do or does, along with the not, which is followed by the verb. Here verb will not take S or ES form, right? Okay, so after the first form of verb, we will put object, right? So likewise, I may say he will carry does or do? Does. So he does not argue. Now ES will be eradicated. Why ES is eradicated here? Because we have already added ES with do. When you add es with the do as a suffix, you will eradicate es in the main verb, right? So here he does not argues not, but here he does not argue. Why? Because the s is already added to the do while making it does from do, right? So he does not argue. So here he does not argue. He does not argue with whom? He does not argue with his parents. ठीक है, तो माना ही यूजुअली पंहिंजे वालिदैन सां आर्ग्यू नथो करे, ही पंहिंजे वालिदैन सां बहस नथो करे, ठीक है ना, न करे तो तव्हांखे छा लॻाइणो आहे? डज नॉट लॻाइणो आहे, डू नॉट लॻाइणो आहे। ही शी इट आहे त ही शी इट खां गॾु तव्हां छा लॻाईंदो? डज नॉट। आई वी यू या त असां डू नॉट लॻायूं आहे, राइट? अच्छा, अहिड़े नमूने जॾहिं मूंखे इंट्रोगेटिव जी स्ट्रक्चर ठाहिणी हूंदी, इहो पुट स्ट्रक्चर छा जी आहे? इहो हुई पॉजिटिव जी स्ट्रक्चर पहिरियां, ऐं बाद में जेको सो नेगेटिव। हाणे स्ट्रक्चर सां तव्हांखे ख़बर आहे न पुट, पढ़ी चुका हो तव्हां। बाद में इंट्रोगेटिव, फॉर इंट्रोगेटिव वी ऑलवेज पुट हेल्पिंग वर्ब बिफोर subject, right? So here the helping verbs are do and does. So do and do or does followed by the subject. After that we will use first form of the verb, and this first form of verb will not take SRES again. Why? Because SRES is already added to the helping verb in case of third person personal pronoun, right? Okay, so subject, first form of verb, and then object. Likewise, we may say that does he again argue or argues? Argue, again argue. Why? Because s is added to the do, right? So to make it does. So does he argue with his parents? छा ही पंहिंजे parents सां, पंहिंजे वालिदैन सां बहस करे थो, right? Okay. So to make the interrogative and negative form, we will use do or does, then subject followed by not, then first form of verb followed by an object. Like as you may say that does he not, good, does he not argue with his parents? Or we may say doesn't he argue with his parents, right? You can merge does with not to make it doesn't. So doesn't he argue with his parents? Both the sentences carry same meaning, right? But there are different ways of writing these sentences. You may write the interrogative and negative sentence in the first way when you are using just helping verb before the subject and not after the subject. But if you want to use abbreviated form of helping verb along with not, then you can use doesn't or don't followed by the subject, then first form of verb along with the object, right? So here doesn't is the abbreviated form of does and not. Likewise here we can make doesn't instead of does not. नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस में तव्हां ठाहे सघो था न, नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस में तव्हां छा करे सघो था? त डज नॉट खे मर्ज करे छा ठाहे सघो था पुट? डज़न्ट, राइट? अच्छा, तो पोइ इहे सेंटेंसेस तव्हांखे ठाहिणा आहिनि ऐं इन्हनि वर्ब्स जो तव्हांखे इस्तेमालु करिणो आहे। वर्ब्स तव्हांजे साम्हूं आहे। नाउ इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन योर क्रिएटिविटी एंड योर टीम वर्क that how you are going to make sentences using these verbs. All of you required to make interesting sentences on these verbs. These verbs may be simple, but your sentences should be extraordinary, because you can use multiple objects, complements in the sentences to make your sentences unique from the others, right? So use these common verbs and make extraordinary sentences in present simple tense, right? Okay, start.